Are you ready? What's inside? I think you have to open that part. Can you take it off? Take off the white paper. What's inside?
This.
What is it?
I hear the Thomas.
It's a Thomas. Oh, it's a card game. It's a game, baby. Cool. You want to see what else is in your special box? What did you get? Cool. What's that? I think it might be some candies. Jojo can help you open it. Okay, here. You want to put it down? Here, we can open it for you.
Shake, shake.
Shake, shake. What else is in your special box? What is it?
I know.
Is it some stickers? Oh, who's on your sticker, baby?
Diego.
Yeah.
Lots of Diego.
Lots of Diegos?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
See you open them?
Yeah, we can open them in a minute. Let's see what else is in your special package.